Eating beets? Well, research indicates that eating beets daily can enhance cardiovascular health, helping to lower blood pressure and improve circulation, key factors for staying active and vibrant as you age. Also can boost endurance by up to 16%, making it a favorite superfood for athletes and anyone looking to power through their day. For those over 50, studies suggest that beets can increase oxygen delivery to muscles by up to 20%, helping you stay strong, active, and energized throughout the day. So maintaining vitality becomes more important, and beets might be the key to staying energized and healthy. Packed with nutrients, beets can support heart health, improve circulation, boost brain function, and increase energy levels, perfect as we age. In this video, we'll dive into how adding beets to your daily diet can help you feel vibrant, strong, and youthful. Let's explore the transformative impact of this simple superfood. Beets are a nutritional powerhouse, offering a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and unique compounds that contribute to your health in a variety of ways. Here's why adding beets to your diet can be a game changer. 1. Vitamin C. A potent antioxidant, vitamin C supports immune function, promotes healthy skin, and protects against oxidative stress. 2. Vitamin B6. Essential for brain health, mood regulation, and energy production, B6 helps maintain cognitive function and supports red blood cell formation. 3. Potassium. Beets are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, balance fluids, and support heart and muscle function. 4. Magnesium. This mineral promotes relaxation, reduces inflammation, supports bone health, and aids in energy production. 5. Iron. Beets provide a plant-based source of iron, which helps combat fatigue, boosts energy, and supports oxygen circulation in the body. 6. Nitrates. Beets are packed with natural nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in the body, enhancing blood flow, lowering blood pressure, and improving cardiovascular health. 7. Betalains. These antioxidants give beets their vibrant color and are known for their anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. Betalains help protect cells from damage and support liver function. 8. Fiber. High in fiber, beets aid digestion, regulate blood sugar, and support gut health, keeping you feeling balanced and energized. Incorporating beets into your daily diet is easy, and there are plenty of delicious ways to enjoy their health benefits. Here are some simple and common ideas to get you started. 1. Beet juice. Fresh beets along with other fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, or ginger for a nutrient-packed drink. Beet juice is an excellent way to quickly boost your energy and heart health due to its high nitrate content. 2. Roasted beets. Peel and chop beets into cubes or wedges, toss with olive oil, salt and pepper, then roast in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 30-40 minutes. Roasting brings out the natural sweetness of beets and makes them a perfect side dish for any meal. 3. Beet salad. Slice or dice cooked beets and toss them with greens like arugula or spinach. Add some goat cheese, walnuts, and a light vinaigrette dressing. This is a refreshing, nutrient-dense salad that provides fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats. 4. Beet smoothie. Blend raw or cooked beets with fruits like berries, bananas, and a splash of almond milk for a vibrant, nutrient-rich smoothie. A smoothie is an easy way to incorporate beets into your day while boosting your fiber intake and improving digestion. 5. Beet soup. Prepare a classic borscht by simmering beets with onions, carrots, potatoes, and broth. Add sour cream and fresh dill for flavor. This comforting, hearty soup is a great way to get a warm, filling meal full of vitamins and minerals. 6. Beet hummus. Blend cooked beets with chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil for a vibrant twist on traditional hummus. This beet hummus is a delicious protein-packed snack or spread that's rich in fiber and antioxidants. Make beets a daily habit and experience the transformative benefits of this incredible superfood. With these ideas, adding beets to your daily meals can be easy, delicious, and packed with health benefits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Also share it with others who might benefit. Healthy diet for healthy pulse.